trading is not just a mental game, it's also a physical one. I often compare trading to athletes, top athletes. In my opinion, you need to have the right habits, because without the right habits, even the best strategy will fall apart. And in this video, we will explore how building healthy habits can supercharge your trading performance and improve your overall well-being. Before I begin discussing this whole thing, I'm gonna let you know, in the bio of this video you're gonna find free Discord, free Telegram. Also, I have a free course which is 2 hours long and you can learn a lot. Links in bio. Next, I'm gonna promote, of course, my private network, which includes 200 hours of education. There's Live Alpha, it's packed in one place. Daily updates, weekly outlooks, live trading, spot trading, derivatives and perpetuals, positions and trades. Everything I do myself is being shared inside. Next, I'm gonna ask you, what's one habit you have built and that have improved your trading or overall performance? Because I want to see what other people are actually using, right? So maybe I just want to see what other people are using so I can see if I can make something better for myself. I constantly look to improve, and this is not only live but in general in trading. You have to, because in trading there's gonna be a lot of adjustments along your way, so sometimes you're gonna have to change something even just a bit to tweak it so you get better performance, right? Nothing is static, everything is dynamic, so don't stick to one thing forever and ever, and just be ready to adopt and find a new thing which you're actually interested in. Now, why healthy habits matter in trading, right? So staying focused for hours, managing emotions, making quick decisions all require a strong foundation of health, right? There's a connection between physical health, mental clarity, and trading performance. And when you prioritize your health, and everything else, including your trading, falls into place. So you need to be able to prioritize your health, and then everything else will come into the right place that it has to be. So I'm gonna give you in this video an example of what I'm doing myself, and then you can figure out what is best for you. Next, I want to let you know that if this video helps you in any shape, way or form, like and subscribe it, because I can push more content and we can get better in trading and in life. Now, yes, that's me. I participate in Muay Thai championships, I do a lot of shooting, I have fun, and also do a lot of traveling as well. So this is my general outlook. I do training a lot, I do travel a lot, and I offset myself and keep my mind occupied with something else outside of trading and day-to-day life issues, because we all have issues, right? So my personal pillars of health for traders are the following. You need to have regular exercise, you need to have nutrition, you need to have sleep. People that tell you sleep 4 or 5 hours per day, you're not gonna make the best decisions in your trading if you sleep 4 or 5 hours in a day, right? It doesn't make sense. Yes, you can push through life. Sometimes there is gonna be this season that you're gonna be sleeping 4 or 5 hours per day. That's perfectly fine, I've done it myself. But that's not the main topic. The main topic is that in order to maintain balance, you need to be sleeping 7 or 8 hours usually, because this is proven that the best decision making is made into these hours of sleep. And about mental health, I would suggest mindfulness practices, sometimes meditation, or everybody has a different way of meditation, but meditation in general means being in the present moment. Some people think that meditation is, staying in one place, breathing, yeah, maybe that's for you. But let's say for me, I like to spar, I like to fight with people. Because this puts me in a mental state when I'm thinking only about the now. I'm not thinking about the future, not thinking about the past. I'm being put in the present moment, and this is the main objective of meditation, right? Next thing is gonna be breaks. So you need to have breaks in trading. Sometimes I may take a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks off if I decide, and I don't have to trade. And of course, when I'm with my loved ones and I want to spend time with them, I'm not gonna be trading at the same time, obviously. But if you go somewhere on some island or whatever, it doesn't make much sense for me to look at the chart and to be thinking about trades and decisions when I just want to spend time with them. If I'm not 100% invested into trading, it doesn't make much sense to do something else as well. As an example, someone that has family and kids, it doesn't make much sense for the father to sit in front of the computer and trade when they have a kid next to them trying to pull them by the t-shirt and try to tell them something, Next thing is gonna be journaling. You need to be journaling at least your trades. Sometimes document your thoughts, document the things that you're thinking about that are on your mind, but document your trades, journal them, and just know what is working and what is not. Next thing is gonna be the environment. Everything around you needs to be clean and organized, because this is gonna promote focus and you're not gonna be thinking about other things. As an example, if you have dishes in the fucking sink, you're gonna be thinking about these dishes, right? Even if you think you're not gonna be thinking about them, they have occupied mental capital of yours, which you can use in a better way. Now, you need to have a habit loop, right? You need to be having effective habits. Set a morning routine. Let's say that includes 10 minutes of exercise and reviewing your trading plan before starting your day, essentially. You need to have small actions. Don't think that, oh, tomorrow I'm gonna do this and this and this, and you have these big plans. No, do small things, compound them, and let time do its thing, because just doing small habits and small consistent action, it's fine. But if you haven't done anything before and you think that I'm gonna read book for 4 hours, or I'm gonna be doing deep work for 6 hours, whatever, this thing doesn't work. I've done it myself. Do small things every single day, and it's gonna compound because you're creating that consistency and momentum. So essentially, you get it into your routine, and it's just gonna be part of yourself now. If you create something as a part of your routine, you become that thing, right? It's not about, you're not the things you think about, you're the things that you do. So if you actually have the habits of a trader, journaling, doing all these things that I've just talked about, I just don't want to repeat myself. If you do these things repeatedly, time after time, and just do it over and over again, and you build these habits, they're gonna become yourself, and you're gonna become these habits. And essentially, your life is gonna be looking the way you want it to look. Simple. Next thing, advice. If you have long time in front of a PC, set some alarms to stretch every single hour. Next thing, if you have like a big screen, I suggest you get some blue light glasses. And also, third advice for myself, have a meal prepared for you, so you don't waste time cooking, right? As an example, I used to live in London and UK. When I did that, if I want to have lunchtime, as an example, 1-2 p.m, this is when yours starts. And I've just gotten focused and I want to distract myself with trying to cook. No, forget about it. Most of the times I just ordered something because I don't want to be distracted with that, but you get my point. You need to have your meal prepared to save time. So think about this as well. And as an example, I would say, because I know people that are obviously top of the top in that niche, I would say the top traders, they treat their body and mind as their greatest assets, because they are actually. So in terms of conclusion, I'll just make a quick recap. Healthy habits aren't just a bonus, they're essential for your trading success. Start small, stay consistent, watch your performance and improve. And when you prioritize your health, everything else, including your trading, falls into place. Thank you for watching this, and I wish you all the best.